Hello everyone! I've showed you how to make this coat some time ago. We made it without pattern, undrew the armholes and the sleeves by side. If you haven't watched this video, do it. I've showed you a lot of useful techniques in it. For example, how to make sleeves without patterns. This is very important. This coat is very comfortable. I'll try it on later for those who haven't seen this coat yet. I've created this sewing technique myself, so the tailors who are new in our fashion house don't know it yet. I sent a link to the tutorial to one of the tailors who works in my fashion house for not so long and asked to make a blouse for me. I was in a hurry, so I didn't even have time to explain anything. She watched the video, and this is the result of her work. The thing is that we didn't need any adjustments. This is how she made the blouse fit me after watching the tutorial. This is how the shirt looks like from the front. I wanted to understand that the design in the coat and in the shirt is absolutely the same. The shirt is pretty wide, so I feel comfortable in it. Have a look at the back. The yoke didn't play any role in designing. It was just stitched to the bottom. There is also a pin tuck on the back. It is decorated by the small black detail. The sleeves were made using the same technique as in this coat without pattern. Let me tell you about this shirt. The front is a bit shorter than the back. All the angles are straight. Sometimes I make them round, but not in this case. The overcast is very wide. It was made to make the bottom of this shirt stronger. Otherwise, it wouldn't look good. There are no darts on the chest, as well as in the coat. There is a big pocket here. Have a look at the collar. It's very beautiful. It consists of the two stand collar details. One is of the same fabric as the shirt itself, and the second one is black. The color makes the shirt look very interesting. I've decided to show you this shirt for you to know that you can use the pattern for this coat to make other items too. You can change the design however you like. Make longer or shorter shirts. Make them of different fabrics, knitted or jersey. Make different colors. You can try a turtleneck one, for example. I've showed you how to make it. Use your imagination. Learn to work with patterns. I strongly recommend making items using this pattern. Don't tell me that it's hard. Our tailor managed to make the shirt after watching the video for the first time. I feel very comfortable in the items made using this sewing technique. Now I'll try the coat on, in case someone hasn't seen it yet. I remind you that the shirt and the coat are absolutely the same. The shirt looks a bit wider because of the pin tuck on the back. Have a look at me. The coat is very comfortable. It's not easy to sew items of cashmere, but I've shot a very thorough tutorial for you. There is no facing or lining in this coat. Watch the videos and try making such items. The design is absolutely amazing. Today I've showed you the shirt, which was made using the same technique. You can also make a dress of it. I want you to understand that this design is very universal. You can make a lot of different items this way. You don't need to measure darts or try to make the sleeves fit you. That's all for today. I show you a lot of useful techniques and ideas. Don't be lazy. Use your imagination and remember that practice makes perfect. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.